guys, welcome back to Fabric by Singhania. If you are running out of options for your office look, we have the perfect fabric for you which you could customize into a nice kurta for menswear and women's wear. To recreate this fabric into the perfect menswear kurta, or if you want to create a suit set, this Moonga tussar would be perfect. So here we have this nice blue color Moonga tussar. It is in a really pastel and muted shade, but it looks very beautiful. So let me show you. Here as you can see how simple this is, yet it looks so gorgeous. It's because of the nice border work that you can see here, which is done in a multi-color thread work, and all over it these booties, which is again hand embroidered. So the entire fabric makes it looks really stunning. For an elegant office wear look, we have the perfect chanderi fabric for you. So here we have a nice pastel shade of chanderi fabric with beautiful embroidery all over it. Now this pastel fabric is so subtle and soft to look at, it's very pleasing to the eyes too, and the embroidery that has been done is very feminine. So all of the floral embroidery along with this nice border work would be perfect for a suit set, or if you want to create a nice co-ord set too, this fabric would just look amazing on you. Now another Moonga tussar fabric that we have here is in a nice rich green color. So this fabric is very pretty and it's also very elegant. We could recreate this into a nice menswear kurta. It does not even have to be a casual wear. It could be something fancy for menswear kurta, or even a suit set if you want to create with this Moonga tussar fabric. It would look amazing. And the dark green embroidery all over it in a stripes pattern makes it look really elegant and very different too. Now another workwear outfit that we can recreate is with this Moonga tussar fabric. Now this is in a nice yellow color fabric and it has very nice work all over it. As you can see how beautiful the fabric looks. It's in a nice yellow shade and there is a lot of thread embroidery that has been done in a floral pattern with a lot of mirror work that has been done in a very subtle way, which makes it even more beautiful, and the fine details makes it really elegant. Now this shade could be perfect for a menswear kurta or for a shirt as well. So this fabric is a nice dark blue Moonga tussar fabric, and all over it you can see this nice thread embroidery booty work that has been done. It makes it look very nice and the borders are very beautiful. This could be perfect to be recreated into a nice co-ord set or even a nice menswear kurta for office look. Now we have some really nice summer color fabrics like in the shades of green. So first we have this nice tussar fabric which is in a pista color, which looks very beautiful. Now all of the handwork that has been done across it makes it look very pretty. As you can see that there is nice sequin work that has been done and thread work that has been done in floral design, which makes it look very pretty. Now this could be perfect to recreate for a menswear kurta as well, or for any women's wear kurta or a vest or sherwani. These fabrics would just look perfect. Now another beautiful shade of green that we have is a nice mehendi green. This is perfect because of how beautiful it is, and also it is in Moonga tussar fabric, so it looks just amazing. Now you can look into the details of this. It has nice thread embroidery and you can see the highlighted sequin work that has been done. It looks very pretty, even though it's in a light sequin work, it looks really elegant. So this could be perfect to recreate into a nice vest for menswear, or if you want to create a nice suit set for women as well, this fabric would just look amazing. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe to Fabric by Singhanias. And if you want to know more about our in-house customizations, you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1 or shop online at Fabric by Singhanias.